Here we have the new Nokia 215 4G variant. Let's check it out. It's a rather small box. And check out the features for it. So it has FM radio, obviously calls over 4G network, and it will work in networks which only support 4G, so that's the bonus. Opera browser for your internet access, some games. It supports micro SD card up to 32 gigabytes, and yeah, it's a cool phone. Let's check it out. If I could open it, then. Okay, so what you'll find in the box is the phone itself. A micro USB charger. It's a shame that it's not USB-C. We are in 2020, so why not? But I guess for 4G phone it's okay. Battery uses this BL4WL battery. If I could focus on it. Like that. And just an instruction manual. You don't really need that. Okay. Let's check out the phone itself. First impressions. It has a really nice build quality and it feels actually really nice in hands. The pair is very well made as well. Okay, let's insert the battery. To insert the battery, just break it open like that. And actually first let's insert SIM card. You insert SIM card by just placing it like that. Close it. Also let's insert a memory card where I have some music pre-installed. Done. Right. Place in your battery like this. And now close the phone. Let's turn it on. It takes like 5 seconds to hold this cancel button, turn it on. And the very well known Nokia tone. It turns on really fast actually. So what you will be able to find in the phone. Let's go to menu. There's some call history, contacts, music, radio. It actually has a really good radio which works without the earphones, but it will work better with earphones. But still it's a rather good radio. Messaging, internet. It uses Opera Mini. You will be able to actually check out some websites, but it's not really the best browser. If you really urgently need something to do, so it'll be fine. Let's go to the website. Facebook, alright. See it loaded. Okay, so just load login page. Check out some other website. There's some Nokia website. Click agree. Okay, so this is what looks like the browser from this. I mean, it's not the best looking browser, but you will be able to actually read some news articles on it, so it's quite useful. especially for this price point. So messaging, I mean just regular SMS. Radio settings, it has got a new snake. Let's check it out. New game. Click. Yeah, that's cool, huh? And game over. Right, let's check out some more. Let's go back. What else we got? Some more games. More games. There's an app where you can learn English. What else? Calculator. Let's look. Calculator. I mean, perfectly usable. Alarm clocks, where you can set up alarms on your. There are actually quite a few games on this phone. As you can see, quite a few of them. Only it's a bit cheeky is that they ask some money to actually buy these games. Like £2 for this game, £2 for this game, again £2 for this game. So if you end up buying all the games, they will cost as much as this whole phone. So it's, yeah, a bit tricky. But you got free trials there. Check out some of them. Damn, game over. Alright. Let's check out some other games. Arrow Master. I mean, they're asking £5 for this game. Let's check it out. Is it worth it? New game. What can we do there? Or like plays like this one. So level 2. I mean, can you imagine? They're asking £5 for this game. That's a bit of a joke. But there's actually a way around it. You can play unlimited times this by just restarting your phone from scratch. Doing a factory reset. So a torch. It's a torch. I mean, it's not the best torch, but you'll be able to see something. On the regular smartphones, you got way better torches than this one. Okay, what's more? Countdown timer, stopwatch, torch converter, voice recorder, files, calendar, and that's it. Let's check out some music. Actually, I won't be able to play music for you because YouTube does like that. But you can obviously load songs on this phone from your memory card. So it's really good. Radio.
We've got a 1-year spending review from my perspective.
Actually, the speakers on this phone are really decent. There's one speaker there, but it's rather decent as well.
Yes, I mean, I appreciate what you're saying. Many people will be sympathetic.
Close radio. Yep. Okay, so guys, as you saw, the phone's actually quite cool and it has a lot of useful features. There's one thing you might have noticed. It's actually a really modern phone. I mean, it doesn't have that many features, but if you go to all the menus, they are really nice looking. And you couldn't really tell that this is a budget phone because it feels really premium. And I would highly suggest it to anyone who is looking for a simple phone which is cheap and durable. I really think it will be really durable, so I really suggest to everyone this phone. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you indeed like it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, as I will be releasing new Nokia 215 videos sometime soon. Okay, so see you.